To fix the invite collaborator not showing on Instagram issue, follow these steps. First, ensure your Instagram account is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may cause features to malfunction. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if there are any available updates. Next, check if the account you are trying to invite as a collaborator has a business or creator account, as only these types of accounts can be invited as collaborators. If the account is a personal account, ask them to switch to a business or creator account. Then, ensure that the account you are trying to invite as a collaborator is not already a collaborator on the post. If they are already a collaborator, their name will be listed under the collaborators section and you will not be able to invite them again. Now, try inviting the collaborator again by going to the post, tapping the three dots, and selecting Edit. Then tap Tag People and select Invite Collaborator. Start typing the username of the account you want to invite and select it from the list. If the issue persists, try logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in. This will refresh your account and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the issue. Additionally, check if Instagram is down or experiencing technical issues, as this can also cause features to malfunction. You can check the Instagram status page to see if there are any known issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invite collaborator not showing on Instagram issue and successfully invite collaborators to your posts. Remember to always keep your Instagram account updated and ensure that the accounts you are trying to invite as collaborators have the correct type of account.